Hey there! Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into all things automotive. In today's video, we'll be discussing a common issue that many car owners face, the dreaded check charging system light. We'll explore the possible causes behind this warning light and provide you with some practical solutions to fix it. So, let's get started. Before we jump into the causes and fixes, let's quickly understand what the check charging system light actually means. It is a warning light on a car's dashboard that indicates a problem with the vehicle's charging system. The charging system is responsible for keeping the battery charged and providing power to the car's electrical system. When the check charging system light comes on, it means that there is an issue with the alternator, battery, or connections between them. This warning light may also be accompanied by other symptoms such as dimming headlights, slow cranking when starting the engine, or a dead battery. It's important to address this issue promptly to avoid getting stranded and potentially causing further damage to the car's electrical system. Common causes of the check charging system light. 1. Battery issues. One of the primary culprits behind the check charging system light is a faulty or weak battery. Over time, batteries can lose their capacity to hold a charge, leading to insufficient power supply to the vehicle's electrical system. 2. Alternator problems. The alternator plays a crucial role in charging the battery while the engine is running. If the alternator fails or malfunctions, it can result in an inadequate charge being delivered to the battery, triggering the warning light. Malfunctioning diodes. The alternator's diodes can fail, causing electrical irregularities and preventing the battery from charging properly. In such cases, replacing the faulty diodes within the alternator may be necessary. Worn-out bearings. Over time, the alternator's bearings can wear out, leading to noise and decreased performance. If you hear unusual noises coming from the alternator, it may be a sign of worn-out bearings. In such cases, it's advisable to replace the alternator. 3. Loose or damaged wiring. Another possible cause is loose or damaged wiring connections between the battery, alternator, and other components. Corroded or frayed wires can disrupt the charging system's functionality, leading to the warning light activation. Loose battery connections. Over time, battery connections can become loose due to vibrations or improper installation. Inspect the battery terminals and cables to ensure they are securely tightened. If loose, carefully tighten the connections to the appropriate torque specifications. Corroded battery connections. Corrosion on the battery terminals and cables can impede electrical flow, leading to charging system issues. To fix this, disconnect the battery cables, clean the terminals and cables with a mixture of baking soda and water, and use a wire brush to remove any corrosion. Reconnect the cables securely. 4. Damaged or worn serpentine belt. A damaged or worn serpentine belt can also trigger the check charging system light. A serpentine belt, also known as a drive belt or accessory belt, is a single, continuous belt that drives multiple engine components in a vehicle. It is usually made of durable rubber and has grooves on one side that fit into the pulleys of various engine components such as the alternator, power steering pump, water pump, air conditioning compressor, and sometimes the cooling fan. Belt damage. Inspect the serpentine belt for signs of damage, such as cracks, fraying, or excessive wear. If the belt is damaged, it should be replaced promptly to ensure proper charging system operation. Tensioner issues. A malfunctioning belt tensioner can cause the belt to become loose or misaligned, affecting the charging system's performance. If the tensioner is faulty, it should be replaced to maintain proper belt tension. 5. Electrical system issues. Various electrical system issues can contribute to the check charging system light coming on. Here's what you should consider. Blown fuse. A blown fuse in the charging system circuit can disrupt the electrical flow and trigger the warning light. Check the fuse box and replace any blown fuses with the correct amperage rating. Wiring problems. Faulty or damaged wiring, connectors, or grounds within the charging system can cause issues. Inspect the wiring and connectors for any signs of damage or corrosion. Repair or replace any problematic components as necessary. Fixing the check charging system light. 1. Battery replacement. If the battery is the culprit, replacing it might be the solution. Opt for a high-quality battery that matches your vehicle's specifications. Ensure proper installation and secure connections to avoid future issues. 2. Alternator repair or replacement. In cases where the alternator is at fault, you have two options: repair or replacement. Depending on the severity of the issue, a skilled mechanic can either fix the existing alternator or recommend a suitable replacement. Remember, a faulty alternator can lead to further battery damage, so. 3. Checking and repairing wiring connections. To address loose or damaged wiring, start by visually inspecting the connections between the battery, alternator, and other relevant components. Look for any signs of corrosion, fraying, or loose connections. If you spot any issues, carefully clean the corroded areas and tighten any loose connections. In cases of severe damage, it's best to consult a professional electrician or mechanic for proper repairs. 4. Belt inspection and tension adjustment. In some instances, a loose or worn-out serpentine belt can cause the check charging system light to illuminate. Inspect the belt for signs of wear, cracks, or looseness. If necessary, adjust the tension or replace the belt altogether. This simple fix can restore proper power transmission to the alternator. 5. Professional assistance. If you're unsure about diagnosing or fixing the issue yourself, it's always wise to seek professional assistance. Experienced mechanics have the expertise and specialized tools to accurately diagnose and repair complex charging system problems. Don't hesitate to reach out to them for guidance and support. Bonus tips. Regularly check your car's maintenance schedule for recommended battery and alternator checks. Invest in a good quality battery charger and voltmeter for DIY diagnostics. When replacing parts, stick to manufacturer-recommended brands and specifications for optimal performance. And there you have it, folks. We've explored the causes behind the check charging system light and provided you with some practical fixes to get your vehicle back on track. Remember, regular maintenance and prompt attention to warning lights can prevent more significant issues down the road. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more automotive tips and tricks. Drive safe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments below. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and until next time, happy driving.